Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel at Pinoy Home Cooking. Today I'll show you how to make a coffee burnt cheesecake. Rich, creamy, and perfectly burnt on top. No complicated steps, and the result is absolutely delicious. Let's start. But first, preheat your oven at 220 degrees Celsius. Add the cream cheese into a mixing bowl. Next, add the sugar. Mix gently until fully combined. Take your time. Smooth batter means smooth cheesecake. This step is important for a creamy cheesecake. Add the egg. Mix slowly until just combined. Over-mixing can cause cracks, so take it easy. Pour in the cream and vanilla extract. Mix until smooth and evenly blended. Pour in the cooled coffee mixture. Mix until smooth and evenly blended. You should see a light coffee color in the batter. Pour in the flour, mix gently. This helps stabilize the cheesecake and gives it a silky texture. Line your cupcake or muffin molder with a liner. This makes the cheesecake easy to remove. After baking, pour the batter into the cupcake or muffin molder and tap gently to remove air bubbles. Bake at a high temperature until the top is dark and burnt, but the center is still jiggly. The burnt top is what makes this cheesecake special. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below if you love coffee desserts. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.